Alright guys, Ben here with KCT. Just out here shooting the Michigan rifle standards, the rifle qualification standards. I got this from ADHD Strategics. I don't know, some kind of cornfield. Doing this thing. Go check him out. His channel's pretty sweet. So this is ridiculous. What we're going to do is at 15 yards we have, or 25 yards, we have 90 seconds to fire 5 rounds standing, kneeling, and prone. That's Michigan. So we're going to do it. So we'll back to the 25-yard line here. And actually what I'll probably do is I'll probably put the timer over here so I don't like lay on it while I go prone. Yeah, we'll take our 90 seconds to do 5 rounds there and have some fun. Okay. 27.71. So, didn't really need much of the 90. The hits aren't super awesome, but also the Michigan qual, there's no like there's no standard for what the target should be, so it is what it is. Alright, so let's go to the 15 yards, and we do 5 yards, 5 rounds standing, 5 rounds kneeling. And we got 50 seconds for that. So go ahead and do that. $10.57. We go to 3 yards. We do it 3 times, but it's up 2 rounds in 3 seconds. Wow, here we're at 3 yards. .86. Oh, I reload. That means we have unlimited time now. 0.78. Yeah, in the Michigan State quals, you can just have unlimited time when you have to do a reload. But we didn't bring a spare mag. Good thing is, of course, we were done with the evolution there. So we have one more 3 yards, 2 rounds. Okay. .92. So much for 3 seconds. So here's our target. I'll tell you right now, these are all from like when I was like prone or kneeling. I haven't done those pose positions in a while. I felt kind of unsteady, but there's the rest of it. So pretty much everything is A-zone except for these 2. So yeah, there's your local law enforcement probably sucks drill. Originally from ADHD Strategics. And yeah, try it yourself with your states. Find that out and see how bad that the qualifications are to be carrying a gun in that state as a police officer. Alright.